Thomas with Houston Paint Protection here with yet another C8 Corvette Z06. The owner of this vehicle is going to be doing a lot of spirited driving and tracking, so he wanted to make sure to have a comprehensive level of protection to protect his car for the long term. We're going to be doing paint protection film in the high impact areas to prevent any physical damage to the paint, a ceramic coating over the full exterior to enhance the shine and gloss, and we're going to be doing some windshield protection film over the front glass to ensure that he doesn't get any chipping or cracking when he's at the track. First things first, let's get this thing inside and get started with our thorough prep process. As always, the first step in our prep process is to clean up the wheels, tires, and fender well area to clean up all the heavy road grime and grease left over from the tire shine. That way our film will stick. These are carbon ceramic brakes, so we don't want to use too harsh of chemicals, mainly just cleaning with soap here, and then we'll use a light degreaser for the tires. Then we're going to move on to the wash and decontamination portion of our prep. So we're going to do a thorough wash on the exterior, a clay bar to knock off all the contamination that doesn't get removed with the wash, and then a chemical decontamination to remove anything that's still embedded in the paint that the clay bar didn't catch. We just wrapped up the wash, so now we're moving on to the clay bar portion of the prep. And as I mentioned, the clay bar is useful for removing any stuck-on contaminants. That gritty feeling on paint are the things that don't get removed with a normal wash. After the clay bar, we move on to the chemical decontamination portion of prep. This chemical is going to pull out any embedded contaminants in the clear coat that the clay bar can't get to. After this, we'll rinse everything off and we'll be ready to prep the film for installation. With the vehicle prepped, we need to move on to cutting the paint protection film for the car. So we've got our software pulled up. We have a lot of the base patterns here. What we're going to do is create what we call our cut boards, which is where we arrange all the pieces and customize the patterns to make sure that we have the most amount of coverage, but also a very discreet install. So we want to go through and check and customize nearly every piece of this because we want the install to meet our standards. So I've got all the patterns created and customized. I've got them spread across a few different cut boards. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the film and then we'll be ready to go on the installation. So we've got the C8 staged and ready for the paint protection film install. I've got everything cleaned up and prepped. I'm going to give it one more thorough rinse to pull off any dust or debris so it doesn't end up underneath the paint protection film. Then I'm going to go ahead and start installing, and we'll repeat this process on every panel that's receiving the film as we move along the vehicle. We finished up installing all of the paint protection film on the full front end, the rocker panels, and the A-frame. So now we're going to move on to installing the windshield protection film. It serves the same purpose as a paint protection film, it's just a different product so the user can see through it. It still protects from physical damage like rock chips and other debris from hitting and damaging the vehicle. We laid this before the polishing and ceramic coating to avoid any kind of contamination from ending up underneath the windshield protection film. So after this is wrapped up, we'll lightly polish the car and lay the ceramic coating on the full exterior, and then we'll be done. With the windshield protection film down, we're ready to hit the polish and coating. So we're going to do a light machine polish over the exterior of the vehicle that doesn't have paint protection film. This is just to refine the surface and pull out as much gloss as possible and prime the surface for the coating. After that, we're going to jump straight into the ceramic coating. It gets applied to the full exterior, the PPF, the paint, wheels, calipers, all the trim and plastics. And this is a product that we apply to enhance the overall gloss of the vehicle, help it stay looking new for many years, and aid in maintenance so it's very easy to clean. If you've got a new vehicle or something special to you that you would like to have refreshed or protected, you can give us a call or reach out to us on the website at HoustonPaintProtection.com, and we'd be happy to walk you through our options.